Hello, you're welcome to Science Array with Glory Valentine. Today I'll be sharing what I've been doing often in sending an email in Gmail that involves linking the receiver to the site or the document. Let's get started. First, open to a web browser and get the URL which you want to link. Like mine, I need textbook on solid state physics. Enter. Okay. Then I click on here and it has highlighted it. Right click and you'll see copy, or you can simply press Ctrl+C to copy. Go to your email, compose. Okay, I will send it to myself and the subject will be test clickable links. Okay, please click on the book emoji to see the solid state physics textbook. Okay, please click on the book emoji. So I will insert the emoji here so that the recipient will click it and it will automatically take the person to where she can see solid state physics textbook. Leave the body of the email, go down, you will see here insert emoji, or you can simply press on your computer Ctrl+Shift+2. Click the emoji. Here you have different emoji, but what I'm looking for is book. So I will choose here and close. So here I have my book emoji. What I will need to link it so that when the recipient click, it will direct her automatically to where she can see this book. I will highlight the emoji and go down again to where you have these different icons. You will see here insert link, or you can simply press on your computer Ctrl+K. So click on it. Here comes a dialog box. Here says web address. So I need to paste the URL which I copied here. So right click on it and you will see paste, or you can simply press Ctrl+V. Click OK. If you now see here, the book has already been linked. The second method, I would like to use my YouTube channel for this. Go to my YouTube channel and then click and right click to copy the URL. Copied. Then go to my email again and type, click on the link to see my YouTube channel. So what I need to do, I'll right click here and paste the link. If you see here, the link is not highlighted, is not clickable at all. So I will simply highlight the URL and then leave the body of the message. Go down to where you have insert link. You can also press Ctrl+K. So click on insert link. If you can see here, this link is now clickable. So the third option is I would like to type, click here to see my YouTube channel. So I will highlight on this word and go to insert link and paste the link which I already copied. Okay, if you can see here is already linked to my YouTube channel. The fourth option is you can keep where you want the link to be. Like now here, I will go down to where we have insert link, click on it, and here text to display. I want my YouTube channel to display as a clickable text. So I will click on here, right click, paste the URL and click on OK. Now we have my YouTube channel. So what I will do, I will go ahead and send best regards and click on send. Okay, here it is. Test clickable link. Click on it. The first one was the textbook. Click on it and it has opened showing the sites which I wanted. So the second one was to click on the link and it will take you to my YouTube channel. Click on it and it's automatically taking you there. So the third one, click here and it has still take you there. The fourth one, click it. Here we are. So these are the ways, very simple and easy to add a clickable link to your email. Thank you for watching.